Ini ndakadanana nemukomana wangu for 2 years. We met at work. Saka even in that relationship we always fight. Problems after problems. But I never took them serious. In June this year, I realized that I'm pregnant. I told him and he was not happy about it. To cut the story short, I ran away from home and I started kugara naye. Things were fine in the beginning. I then left work because I was not able to work as well as I was embarrassed. Saka ndakabva ndangosiya basa, and he told me that it's okay, stay at home. Only when I started staying naye, I realized that he hides things from me. He doesn't even communicate with me. He just keeps quiet and haana hama yakambondiratidza. All he was telling me back in the relationship was all lies. Kuti kana ndakuda kuroora, I have my uncles. They will help me to marry. He hired a friend from a friend to act like his uncle. Kuti abhadhare tsvakirai kuno. Even Mai Vake Handivazive chokwadi. I only saw pictures of her. If I ask him questions, he always tell me to leave it. Things have started to go sour. As I'm not working, for him to buy food, I have to beg. My family told me to come back home, but I told them that I made that mistake. Let me endure the pain and give birth. Then I find a way afterwards. And besides that, I'm very embarrassed with what I have done. So I'm giving birth next year in March, and my heart is no longer at peace with this man. I thought of giving birth, then ndomsira mwana, ndodzokera kumba kwedu hangu. Because I don't want this child and I'm not happy at all. Ndoita usaved way.